The next stage of my career, in 3 words, would be work pays off. In parentheses, hard work pays off. Howdy folks, I'm Kaitlin Butts. I'm from Tulsa, Oklahoma, and I'm Dickel's class of 25. I've always thought about how to be more authentic to myself, and the best way for me to do that is to play into what I grew up doing, which was musical theater. I grew up doing tap dances to Johnny Cash or doing a number to Let Her Rip by the Chicks. Like, I always was in cowgirl getup, but I was doing it with jazz hands. Songwriting has inspired me to be who I am and be the artist that I am too. It might start out on a note on my phone or like a voice memo. It may start with me sitting on my couch at home or backstage at a show. It's the core of it. It's the base level. You have to start with a good song and a good story. If I could fix country music right now, I'd put more women in front of people. I'd put more fiddle on the radio, more steel guitar on the radio, and I'd put more of my friends on the radio too. I am most looking forward to touring with Lainey Wilson this year. What I look forward to is seeing girls out in the audience. They see a woman on stage, they know that they can be that too. Being authentic to yourself is really important to me, and that's what I like about Dickel, is that they are just so authentic to themselves, and that's why we like it. We love it. Something off the record is that I'm singing on a lot of cool tracks that aren't my own this year. So come to a show and I don't think you'll be disappointed. My show, or any show, country music, just support it.